This is the NEET 2016 question. The question is like this. Starting from the center of the earth having a radius r, variation of the g is shown by what graph correctly, right? So first of all, at a depth g, at a depth, acceleration due to gravity g dash equal to g of 1 minus d by r, where d is the depth and r is the radius. At the center means depth is measured from the surface. At the center of the earth means depth is radius itself. It implies g dash equal to g of 1 minus r by r, that is 1 minus 1, that equal to 0. So the graph shall start from origin, right? So this can be definitely ruled out. There is no g value at the center. That's only can be ruled out, right? But as we come close to the surface, at a depth equal to 0, that means on the surface, g dash equal to g of 1 minus 0 by r, that equal to g. So it has been increased from 1 minus d by r of g to the value of the g. So gravity increases. But when you go to the height from there, so what I am talking about is, this is the center of the earth. Depth is measured from the surface here. Height is also measured from the surface h. Right? So as you are going from the center of the earth to the surface of the earth, g value increases from 0 to the value of the g. But when you go to a certain height, g dash by g equal to, we have derived this expression, r by r plus h whole square. So as we are going above the surface of the earth, comparatively with respect to the depth, loss of the gravity is little more. So at a height, h g dash equal to g of r by r plus h whole square. Loss of g is at higher rate when we go to top in compared with the depth. Therefore, the fall has to happen quickly. It's not as proportionate like this, that it increases and that decreases that proportionately. No. So this graph represents, like, because loss is almost double when compared with the depth, that represents the exact variation of the g from the center of the earth as we go to the surface of the earth. That's how we have to understand and solve the problem. Thank you for watching.